Hello and welcome everyone. I am Mansi Shinde. I am pursuing BE in Computer in Shram Sadhna Bombay Trust College of Engineering and Technology. Our team name is Shayan. We are the team of 6 members. Our team leader is Rohan Sapkade. I am here to represent our solution for problem statement, that is development of software for streamlining the listing of cases through differentiated case flow management. So join me as we explore how our web-based application is reshaping the way courts and judges handle cases. In the world of our legal system, the task of managing and prioritizing cases can be overwhelming. Judges often face the challenge of deciding which cases should take precedence. So our web-based case prioritization application that will serve as a platform for court and judges, offering a comprehensive solution to the complexities of case management. Our approach is straightforward and simple. First, court official effortlessly input the case data for the day in our user-friendly web application. Then advanced AI and ML algorithm take center stage, analyzing data for factors like urgency, social impact, and sensitivity. These result in a clear and transparent prioritization of cases. Our solution not only facilitates case resolution but also promotes fairness and informed decision making. So step for our software is first court official input the case data, then backend data is processing. Then with the help of AIML the prioritization of case will happen. Then the prioritized list can be accessed by the judge and the other court officials. Judge will take the hearing of cases. Then the update and status of the cases will be informed to the applicant with the help of application tracking system. Now let's explore into technology behind our application. First, we will use HTML, CSS, JavaScript for front-end, and for back-end, we will use React.js and other languages. For data management, we will use SQL or NoSQL databases. For AI/ML algorithms, we will use frameworks like TensorFlow or PyTorch along with NPL libraries. For cloud scalability, we can use Google Cloud or AWS. For security purposes, we will use Nessus, Metasploits, and other technologies. So, to illustrate the real world impact of our solution, let's explore some practical use cases. First, streamline data entry. This will allow court officials to easily input case data, reducing manual paperwork and errors. Intelligent prioritization. AI and ML algorithm will help to prioritize the case on the basis of sensitivity, urgency, and social impact. Transparent case prioritization. Empowering judges. The prioritization case list empowers judges to make well-informed decisions, ensuring that the most critical cases receive immediate attention. We offer the public real-time case tracking, allowing them to access their case status from anywhere. Channels like government portals and dedicated public portal. Dedicated public portal will allow to take feedback from the public. Now let's turn our attention to what truly set us apart. First up, our 24/7 AI chatbot support. It provides instant and accurate information, enhance communication efficiency. Next, our timely alerts feature empowers lawyers and judges with real-time notification on upcoming hearings, crucial decisions, and events. Accessible to all stakeholders, offers unparalleled transparency and accountability in case management. Our application enforces order case handling, ensuring that judges address each case fairly before moving to the next. Fair prioritization. It ensures equitable justice, avoiding the political or other influence. Revenue streams. Subscription model and advertisement on software. In summary, our web-based case prioritization application is not just a solution, it's a transformation. It streamlines case management, empowers judges, and offers the public transparency like never before. Thank you. So here is the example for basic interface of our software. First, court official will enter case number or case ID, then case type. So the according to the type of that case, the case type will be selected. So here the case type is civil, so we will select civil. Here is the case description about that particular case will be written. Then urgency level, there are three urgency level: high, medium and low. Submit. From here the interface for the judge will start. This case list will be set by AI and ML algorithm. So take an example of the first case 001. Here the case type is civil and case urgency is high. Here the judge will able to see the all required important information in only one window. So here is the case description of that particular case. Then there is a legal precedents, then witness statements, then there is evidence. So here judge can see all the details of that particular case in easy and efficient way.